Hi everyone, wondering if your phone is compatible with Airlo eSIM? In this video, we will cover which device support Airlo eSIM technology so you can ensure your phone is ready for seamless connectivity. Let's find out if your device makes the cut. How to check eSIM compatibility? eSIM support may vary by region and carrier. Always check with your carrier to confirm if your specific device model supports eSIM. For devices with hybrid SIM tray, using an eSIM may require disabling one of the physical SIM slot to enable dual SIM functionality. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible. Go to Airlo device support page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it and check with the available phone list. What are the Airlo eSIM compatible phones? iPhone models with eSIM support: iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13, 13 Mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, iPhone SE 2020 and 2022. Here is the note for you. iPhone devices from mainland China, Hong Kong and Macau do not have eSIM capability except for the iPhone 13 mini, 12 mini, SE 2020 and XS. Compatibility check for iPad models with eSIM support: iPad from 7th generation, iPad Air from 3rd generation, iPad Pro 11-inch from 1st generation, iPad Pro 12.9-inch from 3rd generation, iPad mini from 5th generation. Here is the note for you. Only iPad devices with Wi-Fi plus cellular features are supported. eSIM activation for devices purchased in Turkey. For devices set up after June 23, 2020, eSIM will activate after installation. Contact your carrier if eSIM is not enabled. For device set up before June 23, 2020, follow steps in this link to activate eSIM. This may require erasing device data, so backup first. Compatibility check for Samsung models with eSIM support: Galaxy A55 5G, Galaxy A54 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, Galaxy S23, S23 FE, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, Galaxy S22 5G, S22 Plus 5G, S22 Ultra 5G, Galaxy S21 5G, S21 Plus 5G, S21 Ultra 5G. Note: US version are not compatible with eSIM. Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 5G, S20 Plus 5G, S20 Ultra 5G. Note: US version are not compatible with eSIM. Galaxy Z Flip, Z Flip 3 5G, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold, Z Fold 2, Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 5G, Note 20 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra 5G. Note: US and Hong Kong versions of Note 20 Ultra are not compatible with eSIM. Samsung devices without eSIM capability: all Galaxy devices originated from China, Hong Kong and Taiwan. All Galaxies FE Fan Edition models except for the Galaxy S23 FE, US model of the Galaxy S20, S21 and Note 20 Ultra. Most Samsung Galaxy devices purchased in South Korea except for specific models like the Galaxy S24, S23, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4, Z Flip 5, Z Flip 4 and A54 5G variants. Now let's see for Google Pixel models with eSIM support: Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, 9 Pro Fold, Pixel 8, 8a, 8 Pro, Pixel 7, 7a, 7 Pro, Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro, Pixel 5, 5a, Pixel 4, 4a, 4 XL, Pixel Fold. Devices with eSIM capability: Pixel 3 models originated from Australia, Taiwan and Japan, and those purchased with the service from US or Canadian carriers other than Sprint and Google Fi. Pixel 3a model purchased in Southeast Asia and with version service. Honor devices with eSIM support: Honor Magic 6 Pro, Honor Magic VS, Honor Magic V2, Honor Magic 5 Pro, Honor Magic 4 Pro, Honor 90. Note on eSIM capability: eSIM support for Honor devices may vary by region. Users should contact their carrier or device manufacturer to confirm if their specific on a device is eSIM capable. Compatibility check for Huawei devices with eSIM support. Huawei P40, Huawei P40 Pro, Huawei Mate 40 Pro devices without eSIM capability. Huawei P40 Pro Plus. All Huawei devices purchased in China are not eSIM capable. Motorola devices with eSIM support. Moto G54, Edge Fusion, Edge 50 Pro, Edge 40 Neo, Edge 40 Pro, Edge Plus, Razer 40 Ultra, Razer 2022, Razer 2019, Razer 5G, G53 5G. eSIM support is only available in certain regions. Nokia, OnePlus and Reno devices with eSIM support. Nokia G60, Nokia XR21, Nokia X30, OnePlus 12, OnePlus 11, Reno 6 Pro 5G, A55s 5G, Find N2 Flip, Find X5, Find X5 Pro, Reno A. Note on eSIM capability. eSIM availability for Nokia devices may vary depending on the country or region and carrier. It's recommended to contact your carrier or device manufacturer to confirm if your specific Nokia device supports eSIM functionality. Rakuten devices with eSIM support. Rakuten Big, Rakuten Big S, Rakuten Mini, Rakuten Hand. Note on eSIM capability, eSIM support for Rakuten devices is limited to Japan and certain regions. Confirm with your carrier or device manufacturer regarding eSIM capability for your Rakuten device. Sharp devices with eSIM support. Akos Sense 8, Akos Sense 7, Akos Sense 6, Akos Sense 4 Lite, Akos R8 Pro, Akos R8, Akos R7, Akos R6, Akos Wish, Akos 06. Note on eSIM capability. eSIM support for Sharp devices is only available in Japan and select regions. Contact your carrier or device manufacturer to confirm eSIM compatibility for your Sharp devices. Sony devices with eSIM support. Xperia 1V, Xperia 1 IV, Xperia 5 IV, Xperia 10 III Lite, Xperia 10 IV. Note on eSIM capability. eSIM availability for Sony Xperia devices may vary depending on the country or region and carrier. For the Xperia 10 IV, eSIM supports only available in Europe. Confirm eSIM compatibility with your carrier or device manufacturer. Vivo devices with eSIM support. Vivo X100 Pro, Vivo X90 Pro, Vivo V29 European version, Vivo V29 Lite 5G European version. Here is the note on eSIM capability. eSIM availability for Vivo devices may differ based on the country or region and carrier. Contact your carrier or device manufacturer to verify if your Vivo device supports eSIM. Compatibility check for Xiaomi devices with eSIM support. Xiaomi 14 Pro, Xiaomi 13T, Xiaomi 13T Pro, Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Lite, Xiaomi 12T Pro, Redmi Note 13 Pro, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Xiaomi 13 Pro. Note on eSIM capability. eSIM availability for Xiaomi devices may vary depending on the country or region and carrier. Contact your carrier or device manufacturer to confirm eSIM compatibility for your specific Xiaomi devices. Other notable devices with eSIM support. Nu Mobile X5, Gemini PDA, 4G plus Wi-Fi, Fire Phone 4. It's important to note that eSIM support may be limited to specific region for many of these devices. Always verify eSIM compatibility with your carrier or device manufacturer before purchasing or activating on eSIM plan. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.